Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can give OneDrive access to another user. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on my desktop on my computer and this is how the homepage looks like. So the first thing that you need to do guys is open the File Explorer. If you don't find this right here, just go to the Start menu, search for it, and then you're going to find it right here. Click on Open, and then you're going to be here in this window. Once you're here, in the left, you're going to find all of the sections. Here you're going to find Home, Gallery, and here and the rest you're going to find OneDrive. Go ahead and right click on it, and then right here, as you can see guys, you're going to find the option to copy it, expand it, open it in a new tab, open a new window, and here, as you can see guys, you're going to find the option to always keep on this device, free up space, and lastly, right here, you're going to find OneDrive. So right now, go ahead and click on OneDrive, and then here you're going to find View Online, Settings, and lastly, right here, you're going to find Folder Color. So right now, go ahead and click on View Online. And then once you do that, you're going to be here in this page on the web. Here in the left, you're going to find all of the sections. Right here, you're going to find My Files, Recent, Photos, Shared, Recycle Bin. And lastly, right here in the bottom, you're going to find Storage. So basically, guys, right now, if you want to share a folder on OneDrive or a file with another person, just go to the file you want to share. For example, I'm going to go to this one. Go ahead and click on these three dots right here. Then right here, you're going to find the option to preview it, open it, share it. And here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find the option to manage access to. Click on manage access. And then you're going to be right here. So basically, guys, once you're here, as you can see, guys, you can click on start sharing right here and then add a name, group, or email right here. If you have any contact, just add their name right here. You can also add a message if you want. Right here, as you can see, guys, you can choose if you give them the permission to edit or just view, and then just click on send, and then you're good to go. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.